67-inch farmer here, bringing you a little logging tip I figured I'd share with you guys. All these logs they're frozen in the ground, so you can't get a chain under them, and I don't have log tongs to grab onto it. So you can see here I cut an angled notch right there. It's just got to be slightly angled, and then the back notch has to be more angled so it meets up before it hits the dirt, because this is buried halfway in the mud and ice and snow. I tried levers and stuff and a bunch of sticks trying to lever it out of there. I couldn't get it, so I just used my truck and a chain. That's all you need. It doesn't even need to be a choker chain. Just wrap it around, loop it, and then loop it around your hitch. Just a little tug. It didn't take much at all. My tires didn't spin, and just a little tug, pulled it out. And then it also freed up this big one here for me. I got to pull that one out a little bit more, cut a notch in that one. I got a notch cut in this one as well. I kind of cut it too low. You want it to be about in the middle, and it's a little bit lower in the middle. It's right in the middle. That's where it gets most holding power. Most of this is pulled out. I got some put in the back of my truck, and I got a delivery later this afternoon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more, and try this trick out yourself. It's pretty handy. It didn't take that long. Just cut down that way and then cut a little more that way. Easy as that. Catch you next time.